How to use Pipgems Signals App with high accuracy rate signals. We're using Pipgems app that will make you win with high accuracy signals for 1 minute or 60 seconds trades. We're having good trading balance here, with almost 80 to 90% winning success rate. The Pipgems app is not only based with live trading signals, but you can also have risk management for your daily, monthly goals, which you can try the tools for free. Let's add high ROI, or high return currencies to our pocket option chart. Make sure we trade normal currencies, not OTC currencies. This will increase potential gains from winning trades. In the Pipgems app, choose the signal filtering method and filter the tradable currency pairs. For now, leave it open to all pairs and test how powerful the Pipgems app signals are. We got AUD CAD, a call or buy signal. Let's go to the pocket option and let's navigate to the AUD CAD currency. But as we can see, it only gives us 69% return, and it is not ideal, and I suggest not to trade with it. But let's try to trade with it, if the signal is profitable, since we already got our daily profit target. Let's go trade buy on this. We got losing result on our Pipgems Signals app, but our trade's still open since we're late to trade on it. We're lucky that the trend goes up. And we got good positive result on that. Let's wait for another signals to trade with. We can still configure our filter controls by filter available currencies to be traded, along with the high return currencies that are available in the pocket option platform. We will trade all pairs and signal display interval into all. We got AUD JPY a call signal. Let's see its pocket option trading pairs tab, and as we can see, the AUD JPY only got 53% return, then we will not trade on it. USD CAD, a put or a sell signal. It have 81% in return, and we will check first its trend pattern. And as we can see, it creates a long green bar or consecutive green bars going up, with a high chance for the trend to go down for the next 60 seconds. Let's go trade going down on it. We got another trading signals in our app. We can trade it one by one, or choose only what's your preferred currency pair. Euro USD got 89% in return. And got a good reversal pattern here. Let's trade going up on this. AUD CHF also got 81% in return. A good reversal spot here. We're late a bit, but hoping for the trend to go up for the next 60 seconds. We got another alert signal, but it's enough for this trade. And we will wait for our trade to be done. And we got good result on our Euro USD trade. And a fair trade for our AUD CHF. Let's wait for another trading pair or signals to pop up. See the rest of the video and don't forget to like and subscribe with us to get the latest trading strategies with Pocket Option and other trading brokers. Try the Pipgems app now at pipgems.com and become one of our profitable traders worldwide.